Hey, Tracy Montgomery here from Montgomery Massage Therapy. I just want to take a couple minutes to give you a couple easy, simple neck stretches that you can do to get some tension basically out of your neck. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm actually going to ask you to sit on your hand. The reason you sit on your hand is if your hand is held down, your shoulder stays down. If your hand is not, if you're not sitting on it, you move your neck and your shoulder is just going to go with it. So we're going to sit on our hand, which is going to stabilize our shoulder and keep our shoulder pulled down and pulled tight. All I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my nose straight. And I'm just going to basically tip my head to the opposite side. I'm just going to hang here. I'm going to feel a pull basically from the ear right down to the shoulder, and I'm just going to hang here. Okay? You want to hold it for 20 or 30 seconds, and then you can repeat. If you go into this position, you find that, you know what, I'm not quite getting enough of a stretch. I do not want you to pull on your head, but if you take your hand, place your hand on your head, the extra weight of your hand is going to give you more of a pull in there. So that is stretch number one, and that will get you from your ear right down to your shoulder. The second stretch we're going to do is I'm going to go into stretch number one. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of rotate and look down towards my opposite knee. As soon as I do that, I get a pull basically from the back of my ear right to the top of my shoulder blade. And a lot of people, particularly people that are sitting at desks, are going to have that kind of big knobby tight ball basically at the top of their shoulder blade. And that's going to target exactly where you need for that. So same thing, you go into the position, okay, you find that you hang it there for 20 or 30 seconds, you find that you're not getting that good of a stretch anymore. You can take your hand, place your hand on your head, do not pull, but if you place your hand on your head, you'll get the extra weight of your hand, which will give you a little bit more pull. So again, this is stretch number one, and that is stretch number two. Okay, pretty simple, little idea for you guys to loosen up your necks a little bit while you're sitting at your desk. If you do have the opportunity to throw some heat over your neck first before you do that, fantastic. Otherwise, be very, very gentle with it. All right, so that's what I've got for you today, and we will see you in the next video.